Transforming ordinary wooden picture frames into Gothic masterpieces requires a blend of creativity, patience, and the right tools. Imagine the allure of a frame embellished with delicate cobwebs or winding vine patterns. Each detail meticulously carved to evoke an air of mystery and elegance. Begin by selecting a solid wooden frame, one that offers a smooth surface and sturdy construction. Oak, mahogany, or walnut are excellent choices due to their durability and rich textures. Before you start carving, envision the Gothic motifs that will best complement your display. Cobweb patterns can add a sense of eerie sophistication, their thin strands stretching across corners and intertwining with ornate flourishes. Alternatively, vine patterns bring a touch of enchantment, their tendrils curling and weaving around the edges as if reclaiming the frame with nature's creeping embrace. Sketch your design lightly onto the wood using a pencil, outlining the placement of webs, vines, and any additional Gothic elements like thorns, skulls, or bats. This preliminary sketch will guide your hand as you carve, helping to maintain symmetry and proportion. Carbide burrs are the perfect tool for this intricate work. These rotary bits, designed to shape and engrave wood with precision, come in various shapes and sizes: ball, cone, flame, and cylinder, each suited to different aspects of the pattern. Secure the frame on a stable surface, ensuring it won't shift during carving. Begin with larger burrs to establish the main lines of your cobweb or vine design, carefully following the pencil marks. Work slowly, allowing the burr to glide through the wood without forcing it, which helps prevent splintering and ensures clean, defined grooves. Once the primary shapes are carved, switch to finer burrs for details. This is where the magic happens. Add delicate threads to the cobwebs, small leaves and thorns to the vines, or subtle textures that mimic aged wood. The interplay of light and shadow on these carved recesses creates depth, making the patterns appear to leap from the frame. Take your time, pausing frequently to brush away dust and assess your progress. The more attention you give to each detail, the more captivating the final result will be. After carving, sand the entire frame gently with fine grit sandpaper, smoothing rough edges while preserving the intricate details. This step not only refines the carvings, but also prepares the wood for finishing. To enhance the Gothic atmosphere, consider staining the frame in deep, moody hues: ebony, mahogany, or dark walnut. Wipe on the stain with a soft cloth, allowing it to penetrate the carved grooves and highlight the design's complexity. For an even more dramatic effect, selectively apply silver or gold gilding to accentuate the cobwebs or vines, letting them shimmer in the light. Protect your artwork with a clear sealant or varnish, which will preserve the wood and keep the carvings pristine for years to come. Once dry, your Gothic picture frame is ready to display. Choose portraits that match the mood: sepia-toned ancestors, mysterious figures, or haunting black and white photographs. Alternatively, use the frame to encase a mirror, transforming it into a striking centerpiece that reflects both your craftsmanship and the Gothic spirit. The finished frame becomes more than just a border. It's a work of art, a conversation piece, and a testament to your dedication. The carved cobwebs or vines invite viewers to look closer, to appreciate the delicate interplay of artistry and technique. Whether used for Halloween decor, Gothic-inspired home design, or as a unique gift, these frames bring a sense of drama and enchantment to any space. With each carved line, you infuse the frame with character and history, creating a lasting legacy of Gothic elegance.